Good evening and welcome to GM Infinite this evening. Your name, please?
I am Rajiv. My family is Aparna. My son is Arnav.
All right.
Owner of A325.
You're happy to be here this evening.
That's absolutely delighted to be here. It's you guys have put up a wonderful show, and it's amazing.
Is this your first home at GM Infinite?
Yes, this is indeed my first home with the GM Infinite.
And what does it mean to you?
Means a lot. We are very, very happy to buy this. And
How about you?
I'm really happy with the home. It's really big and spacious.
You have all your play area intact?
Yeah.
Sure, wonderful. And how has your experience been with GM Infinite this far?
It's been wonderful. I think if you look at the locality, if you look at that landmark, we have new mall coming up, and this is pretty in a proximity with my office, Electronic City. My son's school is close by. I think this area is going to be an Electronic City as known by GM's landmark. So this is definitely a wonderful locality, I would say.
Wonderful. Happy to know that. And congratulations on your new home. Hope you enjoy your stay with us. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations, ma'am. This was the very first family who signed up for an apartment at GM Infinite. They are very excited to move into the Electronic City. And what more can they ask than a home which is more than a home? Hi, good evening and welcome to GM Infinite this evening. What's your name?
My name is Rudra Prakash, and I'm proud owner of flat B345.
We're happy to know that. And is this your first home?
Yes, it's my first home and my dream house.
Wonderful. And what does GM Infinite mean to you?
It's a dream. It's a dream house. It means a lot to me because it's my first house and a dream house. So it means.
And you're going to celebrate independence in truly independent spirit.
Yes, that's what. It has come. I mean, I take this opportunity to thank you, GM Infinite, that at the Independence Day, handover is happening, and it's our dream house which we are getting. So
That's wonderful. What has been your experience with GM Infinite this far?
oh, it's awesome. It's awesome. I mean, right from booking the flat till possession. I mean, the GM team is so dedicated and so customer friendly. For anything, whenever we approach the GM team, I take this stage an opportunity to thank Mr. Mustafa, Stephen and Sukesh and the whole team here. I mean, they have, there are concerns and issues when a project goes, but they have handled in such a manner that I would take another opportunity to invest in another project if I have. Yeah.
That's wonderful to know. Congratulations and all the best in your new home. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Shubhendu and my wife Mitra Binda, and we have a 3 BHK flat here. And the journey from the very beginning has been really awesome. Just everything has been very attractive and fabulous from the very beginning. And we had this, we were a little hesitant, in the beginning, but, things fell in place, with due time. And Mr. Stephen, Mr. Shukesh, and the entire team has been just fabulous. They've been very supportive. They've been very, very punctual and very on the target in everything that they have done. So really hats off and kudos to team GM Infinite. And electricity, that was just the one final block that we had. And today we are really happy that we are here with everything in place. Yeah, So the delivery was on time. And we have many builders who are yet to deliver, okay, and the handover has been really fast, earlier than probably expected, and so customer satisfaction, A1, okay. About the Electronic City Phase 1, we are pretty close to Infosys, Wipro, and we also have, Kormangla and JP Nagar, just 30-40 minutes drive, so. And we have super specialty hospitals nearby. We have many good educational institutions nearby. So more or less and overall, it's a great package. And I'm really happy. We are really lucky as a couple to have this as our home. Yeah. Thank you.
So is this your first home?
Yes, in Bangalore, yes.
Wonderful. So you're going to celebrate Independence Day in the true spirit of independence, I suppose.
Yes. Jai Hind.
Wonderful. And what has been your experience with GM Infinite as a team? Or have they gone the extra mile to make you feel really worth it?
Yeah. So as I just said earlier, and I reiterate, Mr. Stephen, Mr. Sukesh, and their entire team. Deep was the first guy whom I had met. I mean, he was a sales pitch. I mean, he did the sales pitch for us. So everybody have been just impeccable, and they've been very supportive. They've been really courteous, and very, at every step they had guided us. They had helped us with our queries. So by and large, as I said, it's just A1, and kudos to the entire team to bring it up on time. I mean, that's the major one. Yeah.
So can we expect you as a couple to spread the word and get more customers to GM Infinite?
I think
Well, of
already
course,
we have
yes.
done-
Yeah, we have already done that. We have already done that, and we certainly will. We'll certainly will. Thank you.
And are you all aware of the new upcoming project from GM Infinite?
Yeah, that's still a mystery, but then yeah, we do hear that something is coming up, but we don't know the details. Maybe something coming up very soon. Yeah.
So congratulations. I hope you enjoy the evening and welcome to your new home. Thank you. So as you've just heard from this wonderful couple, this is their first home in Bangalore and they are so excited about it. They speak about Electronic City, the location of GM Infinite, the surrounding malls, the IT hub, and what this wonderful apartment complex has to offer. Let's listen to our next couple. Good evening and welcome to GM Infinite. Can you introduce your family, please?
Yeah, my name is Asha.
My name is Hitesh.
My name is Narendra.
We own the flat A445 in the A block.
Congratulations on your flat. Is this your first home?
No, this is our second home. And we do have one more flat, B404, in the same.
Wow, so you have two flats in the same complex. That's good. What are the key factors that made you choose GM Infinite over the n number of projects around Electronic City?
The low elevations. I mean, we are not interested for the 32 floors, 40 floors. So this 5+1, it was fantastic. And we saw the amenities. Whatever was given in our brochures, they were superb. So cricket pitch. I mean, we see the basketballs, tennis courts, but not the cricket pitch. So we were mainly impressed with the amenities and low elevations apartments. And yeah, it suits our needs.
Yeah, sure. Wonderful. And what do you think? What has been your experience with GM Infinite this far, with the front office, with the back office, with the project managers, and everybody from end to end?
Yeah, we had a nice experience with them. I do understand they will be busy with the schedules. So when we call frequently, they might be telling us, we'll get back to you. Then they take their own time to get back to us. And we had some of the concerns regarding this, when will we get completed. And we had this changes in charges a bit. But all these concerns, when we spoke to them, they were properly handled by the, yeah.
Wonderful. Congratulations on your new home and welcome to Electronic City.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
So as you've seen this family, they had a few difficulties getting things sorted out. But then the staff at GM Infinite was so helpful that they did not shun them away and they did not tell them that anything could not be done. So they have sorted out everything and now this customer is happy.
I think that's very good. That's very good. Yes.
So you owning 3 homes, I think that's a luxury.
Not as such. Okay.
And what has your experience been with GM Infinite staff and the project as a whole?
Very nice. It has been a good, very friendly experience. They've been very friendly, understanding, and whatever we asked, they've answered us.
So this couple, this is their 3rd home and they feel GM Infinite at EAT City is one of the best, if not among the best in Bangalore.
एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड जस्ट 1 साल पहले जब मैं यहाँ आया था तो यहाँ बस कीचड़ और कुछ नज़र आए थे. जब GM इन्फिनिट के गेट के अंदर मैं आया था दिल में लगा था यहाँ के लोगों को काम करते हुए देखकर, लोगों से मिलकर बातें करके मन ही मन गुनगुना रहा था. दिल कहे रुक जा रे रुक जा, यहीं पे कहीं है जो बात इस जगह वो कहीं पे नहीं. ठीक 1 साल के बाद, लगभग 1 साल के बाद आज देखते हैं कि ये कंप्लीट हो गया है. और वो जो कागज और कैनवास पर रंग और डिजाइन के द्वारा जो उकेरा गया था, आज कंक्रीट और एक्चुअल रियल एस्टेट धरातल पर देखकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत खुशी हो रही है. और GM इन्फिनिट को मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने बहुत ही कम समय में 3 साल के अंदर ये प्रोजेक्ट को पूरा किया. रियल एस्टेट में आज देख रहे हैं कि पूरे इंडिया में 5 साल, 6 साल, 10 साल लोग पैसा लगा देते हैं, पैसा लोगों का डूब जाता है, डर लगता है, लोग हार्ड अर्न मनी लगाते हैं इसमें, लेकिन ये जीएम इन्फिनिट ऐसा हमको मिला और बहुत आज खुशी है कि यहाँ के लोगों से मिलकर, चाहे सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव हो या एमडी हो या सीएमडी साहब हो, हैं जनाब गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा साहब,